Tip-off for the first of 3 games. Hatid sa inyo ng ating Pilipinas Super League. I'm Mandera, kasama pa rin si Coach Benji para sa pareho. Sigurado gustong makabawi ka agad.
Yeah, especially itong Demigods dahil grabe, no? Ito na yung record, losing by 64 points, and I'm sure there's going to be
26 nga against the Quezon Titans, but an even bigger margin ang itinalo nga nitong Demigods. The 64 points, back-to-back 3-pointers. Coming from Biteng, mainit ang simula rito. Mukhang kanina pa naka-warm up itong si Biteng. 2 3-pointers kaagad.
Not only that, but itong Demigods, they need to close out really quick dahil nakadalawa na ang 3 points itong si Biteng.
Asibar, mahahawa ba? Yes, sir! Third 3-pointer for the Dragons. 3 straight. Biteng once again to the corner. Able to escape right there for his first 2 points was Guevara. So it's the Dragons starting off strong. Open is Ibanez from the key. Gets that basket to go. So Ibanez, all 4 points of the Shawarma Shack, courtesy of him. Hands it off to Guevara. Asibar asking it for the mismatch on the post. Off the glass is good. 5 points now para kay Ken Asibar at maagang timeout nga. Itatawag dito.
That's the reason why he scored 30 points. Of course, scouted ka na ng team. So they will play good defense against you.
3-on-1 on the other end. Baltazar with the lefty finish. Just going back to your point, Coach Benji, no? Parang pag uminit din to si Tay Teodoro sa labas.
Oo nga, andun yung play. Maganda yung screen sa kanya. That was an open shot. Yun lang, hindi pumasok. Kabaliktaran naman. Para dito sa Dragons, parang
para sa kanya. Contributing to the strong start nga for the Sinaloan Dragons. Teodoro, another 3 this time. We'll get that to go.
Yan yung kumpiyansang sinasabi nyo natin.
Kung para sa'yo nga talaga itira, no? Talaga ipukol mo. Teodoro this time takes it closer, will be blocked. Ubalde naman ang mga titira sa labas. Back-to-back 3-pointers para sa Shawarma siya.
Same spot, same result.
Pag long shot, no?
Oo, pero except for the father of this guy, Ubalde. Etong ating
malatim dangkan ng pagka-sure ball, no? Si Ibanez comes up with a steal.
Ito,
one-on-one with Biteng.
Sunod yung turnover nitong Dragons, and look who's leading now,
Lamang na nga ng tatlo dito ang Shawarma Shack. Ako naman dito ang Dragons. Kick out. 3-pointer. Short. Another opportunity. Fall away. Papasok yan para dito kay Lovera.
Sabihin ko sana medyo bad shot dahil meron pang 2 libre. Pumasok naman Why not?
Ibanez susubok na naman. Gets another basket. Nino Ibanez in double digits in just the first quarter alone. Shack. Here's Pandillo.
Itong Dragon slowly but getting there. Oh, that was a long... no ngayon!
Tay Teodoro gets his second 3-pointer.
Lang nag-init kagad.
Lamang muli ng 4, 26-22. To the corner, binawi naman kaagad. This is Ronjan Lobrera.
Hindi lang itong Demigods ang nag-iinit. Pa itong Dragons.
Umuulan talaga ng tres dito. Baltazar.
Nakailan na yan, Total of 8 points na yan kung sakasakali.
Salaveria with a putback. After that, Montilla miss. Missing counters. Isa sa kanila, makakabalik na agad sa winning column. Bibitin, that won't go. Salaveria once again with a putback plus the foul. Salaveria.
Technical na.
Parang area. So 16 to shoot. Baltasar will try from outside. Gets another 3-pointer. This is Osicos rather. Action 32-31. Balik sa Shawarma Shack ang kalamangan dito. Back and forth ang naging ball game natin as Montilla.
Oh, that's a good backdoor play from Montilla. Good eye.
Montero hands it off. Ibanez once again. Crosses over. Attacks the lane. Finishes with the left.
Camacho is waiting for a drop pass.
Camacho now. Gets the ball back. Would miss. Salaveria, another offensive rebound. And another putback. Ganda gising ni Salaveria ngayong araw. Jay, malakas naman. Takbo dito ang mga Dragon. Sidestepping his way through and getting that finish. JB Kapunan.
Ang hirap nun, ano? Fumake sa ere.
Empty possession here for the red shirts.
Masyadong mababa yung pasa. Good intention. Ayun lang.
Sinigurado na ni Camacho this time. 39-36. Sinalo.
Thank you, Melrose. And back to you, Papa Bear and Jaime.
Thank you, Jess. Of course, a super fan. Libre lamang po ang admission dito sa ating Pilipinas Super League. Teodoro back in the ball game. Wala nang buelo-buelo.
Yun, libre din yun. Libreng tumira.
Another 3 short this time. 3 3-pointers na nga binibitawan dito ni Tate Teodoro. Montilla. Mabibitawan, mapupunta kay Alano with a spin cycle.
Again, ano, they're getting their points.
Shooter, no? Talagang bibitawan. Now, ultimate green light. Alano, short on that layup. Ubalde, ooh, behind the back. Gets the finish at the other end. Plus the foul. Paulo Ubalde.
That was Paulo Ubalde. Ganda
naman
nun.
Yung kasama pa yung ganyang buhok, Coach Benji, no?
Ganyang buko dati.
The defense of Montilla. And will complete that 3-point play. Paulo Ubalde. So, alam naman natin, marami dyan galing pa sa offensive glass. Ubalde muli. Spinning in the lane.
Ganda.
This time with a left.
Yun ang iniiwasan ni Montilla. Hindi lang niya naiwasan nung part na yun.
The last minute and change. Ubalde goes to Teodoro. Pull up for 3.
Oh.
Another 3-pointer para kay Tate Teodoro. Make that 4 3-point. Goes to Beating. Nakukuha niya muli. Open in the corner. Beating. Gets another 3-pointer. So nakadalawa to nung ating first quarter to begin the game.
Dalawa na yung nag-close out.
At the end of the first half, 49-47. The Dragons will take this 2-point lead to the second half. Magbabalik po tayo with more PSL.
Hanapin.
Napaisip ako, Coach Benji, nung sinabi mo, alam mo, pag shooter ka, parang hindi ako makarelate, Coach. Hindi set to 14. This baseline inbound. Inside to Salaveria. Able to get that ball. Turn around niya.
No
Gagana.
problem. Meron na nakarecover sa kanya ron, pero yung momentum niya, pag turn around, ando na kagad.
Alano susubok. Masyado namang malakas. Rebound battle. Makukuha ng Shawarma Shack. Ibanez will run it. Caballero. Try to give up that foul.
Kaya nga he wanted to give that foul para lang hindi makascore. Kaso may...
Outside. Short. Ubalde looking to tap it to Ibanez. Kaso babalik sa mga nakapula. Guevara inside to Alano off the glass. Plus the foul. Justine Alano. Para sa Dragons.
Naman from Alano. Just ano lang. Matter of communication.
Thank you, Jess.
Magandang message yan from the veteran player, Paulo Ubalde, no? Taking care of his teammates.
Alam din naman niya yung pakiramdam nga daw. Ng,
Yes.
Yeah, thought about the 3. Pupukol. Off. Teodoro. Looking ahead to Ubalde for the finish.
Merong bilis eh. Di ba? Ano ba may problema dito sa ring na to?
May kandado ata, Coach Benji. Teodoro.
Meanwhile, kabaliktaran naman dito sa other side. Medyo maluwag yung butas ng ring.
61-59, 2-point lead para sa Demigods. 3-14 remaining in the third. Beating. Won't work.
Ayun
Second
na.
opportunity. Gagana. Tablan naman tayo dito.
Misses nila, no?
Teodoro off on that 3. Long rebound. Makuha ni Baltazar. Montero. Beautiful find.
Ang ganda nun. Banyes, meron open man doon sa elbow.
Alano matatapikan. Will get the ball back. Gets it to Asibar. Lilipad. Will get the bounce.
Nag-antay muna si Asibar kung...
They swing it. Gets the ball back.
A
Thought
good-
about the 3 off the dribble. Get that long jumper to go.
Ito, 1-point lead. Last shot.
Pero yung kagustuhan na lang ng team talaga manalo yun. Yun na lang yung magpupush namin para makuha namin yung first win namin in spite of ng mga internal struggles ng team. Nandito pa rin yung mga players, may mga nadagdag, may mga nawala na. Pero ang gusto talaga namin talaga is yung development ng mga players. So,
Jaime.
Kala ko sasabihin sila mang gagawa niyan eh. Kasalanan nila yan. Mali. Iniwan. Hindi, pero tama naman. So,
They both came off a lopsided loss. Talagang kita naman natin from the energy that they're giving in this ball game. So
Oh.
talagang pareho makabawi as Asibar from that pass from Biteng are quietly putting up 9 points to go with 5 rebounds.
that's considered as an offensive rebound.
To the reverse naman para kay Baltazar.
That was a good play naman. Yung effort nito si Baltasar no, dahil dalawa-dalawa yung kanyang kinukuhanan ng rebound. And meanwhile, Paulo Hubalde, habang nagkikwentuhan kami, blind corner, hindi nakita eh.
Hubalde once again tries for another 3 and another conversion. Paulo Hubalde.
You need to do...
Third three-pointer na nga sa ating fourth quarter and gets the steal on the other end. We will get an assist to Ibanez. Doing it all. Itong si Paulo Hubalde.
He scored?
They have hit 19 free throws out of 24 attempts. 5 lang ang minintis nila. So far, but Hubalde tuloy ang kanyang apoy dito sa fourth quarter. Gets it to Teodoro.
Teodoro naman, alam nilang shooter. Talagang, ano ba? Teodoro and Hubalde.
Karandang!
Nakisali naman!
Another three-pointer para sa Demigods here. Kanto, sila naman ang lamang ng 11 na rito. And they come up with a steal. Hubalde against Biteng. Adds 2 more to their lead, 86-73 now. Hanap mo naman if you are a Dragon fan.
Yes.
Caballero will try from
Why
outside.
not?
Gets that three-pointer.
Sabi sa
Another opportunity here para sa Sinaloan. Caballero once again. Another three-pointer. Yano Caballero, di naman magpapataig dito. Here on the baseline. Gets it to Osicos.
For the Dragons, ano, gusto nila mas drive na itong... kaso hindi eh.
May sinasabi ka daw ba?
Mali yung
Coach Benji?
ano ko eh. Mali.
Miss. Able to hit a couple of three-pointers already.
Ayun.
Another three-pointer. This time will work para kay Medina. Offensive rebounds dito sa ating endgame. Baltasar gets it to Ibanez. Ubalde.
Ay, walang
Another three.
rumicover. Nagkamali doon si Montilla. What a game for Demigods, ano. They started slow during the first quarter, nakahabol kaagad.